Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The episode starts with Sumitra. Sumitra tells how dare she wear her bangle and eat with everyone, then goes to take the bracelet from her. Krishna asks Sumitra to stop her, saying Pratigya did not steal anything. But Sumitra asks Krishna to not to interfere and forcefully try to take the bracelet. Krishna tells everyone that he is the one who gifted the bracelet to Pratigya. Everyone gets shocked. Sajan asks Krishna when he is going to stop all this until the house destroyed. Meera tells that she know Krishna is not the one who gifted Pratigya. He is telling this to save her because the other day she made a hug scene for gifting Pratigya the sari. So she did not think Krishna will give any gift to Pratigya and asked Krishna whatever she told is true, right? Krishna does not say anything. Meera get angry and tell what is the need to take her outing when he is gifting some other woman. Krishna tell Meera that he is fulfill her wish. Then why she is having so much problem with this? Meera asks Krishna, why did he gift an outsider? He do have mother, sister, right? She then take all her jewelry given it to Pratigya and ask this is what she wants, right? Krishna get furious and ask Meera to stop her nonsense. Meera tell Krishna if he is liking Pratigya that much, then why not? They both have an affair. Meera in her room screams and tell because of this Pratigya, Krishna raised his hand on her. But Pratigya think that she may think that she will let her go for stopping Krishna from slapping her. She did she tell it's better to accept Krishna's slap than Pratigya's favor. Sumitra comes here and tell Meera to not to act too impulsive because of anger. Meera tell that she did not know whatever she does, Krishna is going near Pratigya only does not know how she need to stop this. Krishna meets Pratigya and apologizes to her for Meera's words. Pratigya returned Krishna's gift, saying that it is her mistake too, that she should not through bear this in front of everyone also accepting it. Krishna scolded Pratigya, saying how could she return his gift and ask her to wear it back, saying that it's him who decided to gift her. Sumitra tried to stop Meera when she entered Pratigya's room, telling if she does anything, then she will have to face Krishna's wrath. Meera take Pratigya's cloth and come outside. Pratigya asks Meera, what is she doing? Komal and Sajan also try to stop Meera, but she does not listen. Then she put the fire on the sari, saying, wearing all these clothes only she is getting attention from Krishna, right? Now she will see how she is getting closer to Krishna. She then tell Pratigya like this wearing cloth her attentions to separate her from Krishna, which she is going to destroy. Komal mocks and asks Pratigya what is she going to wear now. Sumitra gave Pratigya the servant sari, saying this is her place. Pratigya get teary eyed. Everyone laugh at her. Adarsh goes to Sumitra and Sajan's room where they ask him to play the game which he played with Pratigya. They love each other because nowadays Krishna is gain his memory slowly, but he think he is having an affair with Pratigya. So they have to make him believe Pratigya is shameless woman. Tell, but it is all a drama before not the truth. Sumitra is Sajan tell that if he want to prove them that he is with them, then he had to do this. Others stand up. Pratigya prays to God to bring Krishna's memory back soon. Others stand beside her and tell Pratigya about Sajan and Sumitra's plan and says that he is in helpless situation so he has to do it, but whatever he tried to get closer to him she need to be aware. He also tell that he is going to support her because the truth shall prevails. Pragya Shokli look at others. In the breakfast table, Sumitra asks Krishna, where is Meera, to which Krishna tell she must be in her room. Kesar tell Pratigya is in temple. Sumitra scold her, then get angry seeing that Meera is not wearing any jewelry. So lashes out at her and want to wear the jewelry. So she goes inside. Pratigya came to the table. Krishna gets shocked seeing that Pratigya is wearing servant clothes. So ask, what is she? And Meera is trying to do and ask her, where is her clothes? Tell that Meera burned all her clothes. Komal tell if her husband did this, then she must have burned the person who is gifted. Krishna tell everyone that Pratigya is his friend, so he gifted her the things and asked, what is wrong in this? Then asked Meera to go and bring a sari for Pratigya. But Meera refused, saying she will not do this. So Krishna goes inside and returns with a sari in his hand. Sumitra asked Krishna how low he stooped. Also asked him why not he go and help Pratigya change her clothes. Krishna tell in his house no one is thinking properly. Then tell Pratigya that he will buy her new clothes and leave the place. Pratigya look at the sari and think Krishna gifted her this before and recall the memory of him and he shared together. To know more about your favorite show Man Ki Awaaz Pratigya season 2, keep watching my channel. Thank you.